Hello everyone, it's Rehan. Have you ever wanted to make amazing super realistic car animation but don't know where to start? Well, you have come to the right place. In this easy to follow course, I will show you step by step how to create these amazing animations using Unreal Engine and Blender 3D. We will start from the Blender with basic modeling of the garage, and later we will set up a complete scene in Unreal Engine 5. And if you are new to Unreal Engine 5, don't worry, I will make sure everything is simple and clear. So why wait? Let's dive in together and learn how to make cool car animations. Join me on my YouTube channel Rehan 3D for the complete course video. Let's make your animation dreams a reality.